Hello and welcome to Video 5, What to Expect at the Guardianship Hearing. It is perhaps the most important part of the guardianship case. In this video, we will discuss the purpose and procedures of the guardianship hearing. The guardianship hearing is where the judge will gather all of the evidence from the case and make a determination about who, if anyone, should be appointed as guardian of the minor child. At the guardianship hearing, all of the parties who have an interest in the child's well-being can go to court and testify about their knowledge of the child's living situation. After a guardianship case has been filed, the court will set a date for a hearing. The hearing will be in the courtroom assigned to the judge for the day of the hearing. Because there are multiple courtrooms in the courthouse, you should check with the courthouse prior to the date of the hearing to determine which courtroom will be used for your hearing. You should also verify the specific courtroom when you arrive at the courthouse for the hearing. Prior to the guardianship hearing, it is important to do the following things. Assemble in good order your notes, papers, documents, or other items that you think might be helpful to share with the judge about the reasons to appoint you as guardian of the child. Your organization and ability to effectively answer questions can showcase your level of responsibility. Plan to testify about why a guardian is needed and what plans you have for the child's future care. A thoughtful, detailed plan about how you will care for the child is necessary to prove that it is in the best interest of the child that you be appointed as guardian. Practice your testimony in front of another person prior to the hearing. You won't know exactly what the judge will ask you, but rehearsing your answer to why a guardian is needed and why you are the best choice as the guardian can be helpful. Dress nicely. Your appearance can affect the way the judge views your ability to care for the physical needs of a child. Arrive at the courthouse early, at least 20 minutes prior to when the hearing is scheduled. If you are late to the hearing or do not show up at all, the judge may have to delay the hearing and potentially postpone the guardianship appointment. Have your pleadings. Make sure you bring copies of important pleadings in your case. The affidavit of service, acceptance of appointment, judgment appointing guardian, and letters of guardianship. What do you do at the guardianship hearing? There are some customary practices that you should observe while in the courtroom and during the hearing. Here are some general guidelines that will help you feel more comfortable and do a better job presenting your case. When you enter the courtroom, take a seat in the back and wait for the judge to call your case. When your case is called, follow the judge's instructions about how to proceed. Do not interrupt the judge or anyone else who is currently testifying. Wait until you are addressed to tell your side of the story. In most cases, the guardian ad litem will also be present and report on their investigation of the situation and make a recommendation to the court. We discussed the guardian ad litem in video number 4. When the judge is asking you questions about the case, be truthful and respectful. Judges are familiar with Idaho law and guardianship requirements, and they will ask questions in order to make a determination if a guardian is needed and who should be the guardian. It is the judge's duty to ensure that the appointed guardian will serve the best interests of the child. The judge will consider all the testimony and apply the appropriate legal requirement in order to make a decision regarding guardianship. In most cases, the judge will make a determination and a ruling at the time of the guardianship hearing. In some cases, the judge may delay the decision in order to provide time to gather more facts. If the judge finds in your favor and appoints you the guardian of a child, you will be issued documents called letters of guardianship, which is your proof that the court has ordered you to be the child's guardian.